Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. I am Bhavna, your class teacher, back again with a new video session for you. But before starting the video, students, please do your homework regularly and watch our videos daily. Okay, so today in this session we will once again revise about those activities which we discussed in yesterday's video session. Like, first we wake up when the day is start. Then we ready for school. The sun rise in the morning. Then we study in the evening. We take our dinner. Okay. Now we'll revise the rhyme day and night once again. For this, students, open your book of rhymes and go to page number 21. Now start rhyme with me. The sun comes up to start the day. This is the time to learn and play. We eat our meals and do our chores. There's family time and so much more. In the night the moon shines bright. It's so nice when everything is quiet. We rest our head and close our eyes to see the next day sunrise. Okay students, repeat this rhyme at your home. Now we will move to our next session. In this session, we will discuss how to greet or wish someone. Okay? Like we say good morning in the morning time. Then we say good afternoon in the noon. Then we say good evening in the evening. Then we say good night when we go to sleep. Okay students? Now we will move to our next session. Students, now open your I Can Beginner book 4 and go to page number 8. Here we have an activity that is meet letter N. So look at the first part of this page. Here we have some images and you have to tell me about those images which begin with or without N. Okay, let's check all the images one by one. Start with me. Look at your mobile screen. F is for flower. N is for nuts. L is for leaf. N is for necklace. And N is for nose. So students, circle on nuts, nose and necklace. Okay. Now look at the second part of this page. Here we have given a pattern to trace so that we will make letter N after tracing. So trace all the dotted area. Okay students. Now move to page number 9. Here we have some images of nests and some different letters written on them. So students, we have to circle on those images on which letter N is written on them. Okay? Now students, move to next session. In this session, students, we will once again revise the concept of tall and short. What is short and what is tall, which we have already learned in our previous video session. Now students, open your book and go to page number 10. Here we have an activity, tall and short. So what you have to do, tick the one that is tall and cross the one that is short. Now look at the first picture. Here there are two boys standing here. First one is tall and the other one is short. So tick on the first boy and the cross on the second boy. Okay? Now look at the second image. Here are two monkeys. One is short and the other one is tall. So you have to tick on first monkey and cross on second monkey. Okay? Do this exercise accordingly. Now look at page number 11. Here we have again an activity, tall and short. So here we have to circle the tallest and cross the shortest in each set. Like, look at the first set. You have to circle on second boy, circle on third boy, circle on third boy and cross the second boy, and do this exercise accordingly. Now students, we will move to our next session. In this session, students, take a plain drawing sheet and with the help of your parents, draw a picture of a house like showing on your screen. Then fill color accordingly, like fill green color in all the triangles and fill yellow color in rectangles, fill red color in circle, and last fill blue color in squares, and make a beautiful house. And after completion, send a screenshot to me. Okay students? Now we came to an end of this video session. But before ending this video, I would like to recall all the activities which we have performed today. Like, we started our day with the activities which we performed at our day or night. Then we discussed how to greet or wish someone. After that, we revised the alphabet N. Then we revised the concept of tall and short. After that, we done some practical work. Now tell me, which one is your favorite? Yes. Now in the end, we will revise the rhyme once again, and the title of the rhyme is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So start with me. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Student, repeat this rhyme at your home again and again. So, that's all for the day. Stay home, stay safe and stay positive. Thank you.